drums on it, have our falsetto, some slacky guitar, have that on it. But one thing we always have had on all of our albums are the classics, the stuff that needs to be retold so that it just ensures and validates why we love this culture so very much. This next song I want to feature my brother, Mr. Kali Kaulahiokala, on the finger bass, all the way from Waimanalo.
Everybody's probably thinking why I'm wearing the glasses.
Because you're so cool.
No,
His wife would punch him in the eye.
Yeah, I got a black eye, so.
No, you didn't get a black eye. But prove it to the crowd, take your glasses off.
No.
No, okay. We had a great time at your house last night, bro. That was fun.
That's why the glasses are off.
Yeah. We had a little bit too much fun last night.
Oh, this morning.
Hurting a little bit today, but
I think the cops came by like 2 times.
2 times, yeah, police come by, but that's just showing their love, you know.
I'm not used to that kind of stuff on the west side. We don't have that kind of stuff.
Not. Never on the west side you see police. So we do this next song, featuring every one of you that we love so very much, featuring my brother, a song entitled Puhai Kiloa. This is a classic tune from Hawaii. I hope you guys enjoy it. The song goes like this.
Oh
Ay, Kauno Yokala. Beautiful, brother. I like it. That's what I'm talking about right there.